How much does it cost to replace a starter relay?
Hello everyone. In this video we will be tackling a common automotive issue, replacing a starter relay. If you've ever turned your key only to hear a click instead of the engine roaring to life, you might be dealing with a starter relay problem. Understanding the costs involved can help you manage this repair in the most cost-effective way possible.
What is a starter relay?
The starter relay, also known as a starter solenoid, is a switch that carries a large electric current to the starter motor when starting an engine. Over time, this component can wear out, resulting in a non-starting vehicle.
How much does the part cost?
Starter relay costs can vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. For many cars, you can expect to pay anywhere between $15 and $50 for a new starter relay. It's important to note that these costs can be slightly higher or lower based on the specific vehicle model and where you're purchasing the part.
What about labor costs?
In addition to the cost of the part itself, there's also the matter of labor if you're not planning on doing the replacement yourself. Labor costs can also vary widely, but a general estimate is around $50 to $100 in most cases.
Can I replace it myself?
Yes, indeed. Replacing a starter relay is generally considered a manageable task for a DIY enthusiast with some basic automotive know-how. However, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, or if you don't have the necessary tools, it's best to let a professional handle it. After all, your vehicle's ability to start reliably is crucial. In conclusion, while the total cost to replace a starter relay will vary, most vehicle owners should expect to pay somewhere in the ballpark of $65 to $150 when combining the cost of parts and labor. Remember that having a functional starter relay is crucial for your vehicle's operation, and prompt replacement is key to prevent further damage. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this video has helped you better understand the costs involved in replacing a starter relay.